Let's synchronize.
Hey guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming here to watch my videos. Guys, today's video will blow your mind off. I want you to hold your breath. If you are the Christmas lover, if you love Christmas, I am going to take you to one store here in Texas. It's called World Decorators. This store is one of the #1 store in the world, worldwide, when it comes to decorations. It's here in Texas. And guys, I want you to come with me so that I can take you there, so that you can feel the Christmas mood. You know it's November. Christmas is coming around the corner, but I want you to have the ideas, the trees, decorations, everything you need in your Christmas, the 2024, it's in this store. Even if you can't shop here, but I want you to get the ideas, okay? I don't care where you come from around the world. You have and you must watch this video. Guys, without further ado, let's go and have fun in this store. Guys, let's go. So looks like when you get in, so I guess you enter through here, guys. Guys, do you see what I'm saying? This is the entrance. Guys, I'm blown away. I am blown away. Look at that. So this is the entrance. Let's start exploring. Look here. I love this. Look at this huge center. This store is oh my gosh, this is beautiful, guys. Guys, do you see what I'm saying? Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Christmas decorations. Oh. Guys, it's too much. Like, I don't even know where to work and where to see. Everything here is massive. It's a joy. Wow, and it's $9. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. Guys, everything here is massive. This tree right here, it's $2.99. $2.99. Look at that. This one here is $6.99. Guys, this is magical. Let me move back so that I can show you this setting right here. It's called Christmas Decorator here in Texas. Guys, everything in Texas is huge. Guys, if you are crazy about the Christmas, this is your store. Look at that. Everything is lighting up. Look at that. My goodness. Guys, I don't even know what to show you and not. It's too much. Tree like this is $7.99. Look at that. So beautiful. So beautiful. They have all these gigantic trees. Look at that, guys. I don't know even. It's just $15.99. Look at this tree. Look at that. It's $15.99. That one is $14, and this one is $11.99. Look at that, $11.99. I love this one. So huge. This is $5.99. It's a smaller version of it. Wow. This is magical. All I can do, guys, is to show you. Welcome, welcome, and enjoy. It's $12.99. It's a bear. $12.99. So good. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know if this camera actually is doing justice for you because everything here is so beautiful. Okay, let's go around. Let's just go around. Wow, 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 wow. Cold. Wow, wow. Getting lost in here. I don't know, guys. This is magical. Everywhere I go is Christmas. Christmas. This store, oh my goodness. This is what I call Christmas. Look at this. My goodness. Everywhere I turn around, it's Christmas trees and more Christmas trees and more Christmas trees. What a lifestyle. So guys, look at that. Let me turn behind. Look. What is going on? Guys, let me turn the camera. Look at that. So the store is here in Arlington, Texas. And this store, as they say, it opened their doors in 1999 actually. by this beautiful couple. So they started selling from their home, and eventually they opened a store. And this store has turned out to be the largest store, one of the largest store in the world. And this is amazing, amazing. So let's keep walking. Everything you need for your Christmas decor, oh my goodness, it's in here. It's right in here. Let's get this down here. Oh, sorry guys. Let's go down here. There's more. Wow. 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 It's like the more you walk around, the more magical things you see. My goodness guys, let me take a picture here. This is crazy guys, this is crazy. Let's go see the trees. We're doing good.
If you take pictures, take a picture of the front and the back.
Okay. Guys, I'm telling you, that store is amazing. The store is so fun. I have never seen anything like this, y'all. Look at the store. It's over there. It's called Center. I love it. So guys, I tell you, I have been walking that store. It's so beautiful. It has all the decorations that you need, everything guys you need for your decorations, and the store is just right here. And the good thing is that this is one of the largest stores actually in the world, not in Texas but in the world. People are here taking pictures, enjoying. I'm here vlogging. Oh my goodness, look, the store is behind me right here. I'm loving this. Someday